In this video I am showing you how you can post stories on Facebook Messenger. So firstly what you need to do is you have to open your Facebook Messenger app, and this video tutorial work for the both Android and iOS. So you can watch this video until the end. So firstly open your Messenger app and then go to the People's tab in the bottom right corner, and then you have to tap on the story, add to a story, and here you can add two types of story: the story with only text and a story with the photos and videos. So firstly I want to add a story with the only text, so tap on the text. Here you can tap to type. So let's see, I add my channel name. So after adding your channel name, you can tap on the done in the top right corner, then you can resize it and then you can replace it anywhere that you want. Here you can tap on this you can tap on this classic icon in the top right corner, top of this page, and you can change the classic of this photo, of this background. You can also change the background by tapping on the bottom left corner, and you can change the background here. And after that, if you want to add the paint brush or image brush, you can simply tap on this rope icon in the top right corner. You can add all these things by tapping on the rope icon. You can add a brush, you can paint this like this, and then you can add emojis by tapping on the emojis icon, and here you can choose any of the emojis that you want, and then you can add like this. You can whenever your finger goes, then this emoji will start forming. You can also add a brush icon, eraser icon. So that's it. Then you can tap on the done in the top right corner. You can also add a emoji by tapping on this emoji icon. You can mention someone, you can add poll, you can add date or time, you can add these stickers. Let's see, I add this sticker, then you can add this sticker. You can also add the recent sticker that you have added. You can also add emojis from here. You can search the emoji and then you can add it, then tap on the done in the top right corner. After that, you can also add polls by tapping on this poll icon. You can add anything, you can ask anything to your friends, and then you can tap on the done in the top right corner, and here this polls is also created. After that, you can simply share it to your story by tapping on your story in the bottom right corner. So to add a story, photo or camera story, simply tap on the add to story, then tap on the camera, and from here you can choose a photo from the gallery, or you can also record a video. So let's see, I record a video. So tap on the your gallery icon in the bottom left corner. After that, here you have to tap on the camera. So after that, here you can choose any of the photo that you like to share or videos like to share. After that, you can edit this as I show you in the first part. So you can add these stickers, you can add emojis, you can add this recent sticker that you have added, you can add edit this, you can add paint brush, emoji brush, you can add all these things, you can add these things. And you can also crop this image by tapping on the crop button, and then you can, after cropping this, you can tap on the done in the top right corner, and then you can also edit this image by you can choose the. So that's it, how you can do this. So after doing all these changes, you can simply tap on your story in the bottom right corner to share this to your story. So that's it, how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon to get notifications of such new informative video. And also don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Have a good day.